Check out this Serve Pro FCL run from the 2025 World Championships of the TFT Firefighter Challenge Championship Series. Coming to you from Farmers Branch, Texas.
Welcome back to the action. We've got Lakeland Advil AllStars in the blue lane going up against the Giant and the Wolf in the red. Lakeland Advil AllStars, we've got Phil Washburn and Mike Green going up against Martin Erb and Sebastian Vovko. Both teams in the hybrid age 45 to 49 category. Nice job here by Phil Washburn. Martin Erb right behind him, trying to catch Phil. Advil AllStars crossing that line first. $129.66 for the Giant and the Wolf. 124.34 for the Lakeland Advil AllStars.
This run is presented by our proud partners, Dallas College, the City of Farmers Branch, Dallas Sports Commission, Serve Pro, Task Force Tips, 3M Scott Fire and Safety, NASCO Healthcare, and Snap Tight Hose. Streaming is provided by Lion, DuPont Kevlar Nomex, and Patriot Production Group.